Hello everyone, welcome to session number 1. In this session, we're going to talk about a very simple formula, that is lookup formula. Yes friend, this is not the VLOOKUP formula, this is not the HLOOKUP formula. And it is not even the combination of these two formulas, because the combination is not possible for the HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. But this is a very simple formula. If you remove the brain from the VLOOKUP, if you remove the brain from the HLOOKUP, then you got the formula that is very simple formula, and the name of the formula is a lookup formula. It simply looks the result from the array and give you the exact match for that. So here we got the scores, and we have to find the grades, we have to find the results. And here we have got in the A column we got the scores, and in the B column we got the grades, and in the C column we got the result for all these, right? So here we got the scores. So what is the grade for that? What is the result for that? Let me just check the grade first. So what I just do, apply the formula called the lookup formula, and the best part of that, these are the two different syntax we have. Right, so this is the type 1 syntax and this is the type 2 syntax. So I'm going to talk about the type 1 syntax first. So what is a lookup value? So what is a lookup value? A lookup value is one for which I need to get the results. So what is my lookup value? The lookup value is basically the scores. So I just click on this, and what is my lookup vector? What I'm looking for? I'm looking for the complete table array, right? I'm going to freeze it, comma, then it is asking me for the result vector. What do you want in the result? What we want? We want the grades or we want the results? We want the grades, so I will going to select the column B2 to B7. I will going to select the range B2 to B7, and if I will going to freeze it, close the bracket and put the enter. I got the grade as A, right? Now move to the second type of syntax in the lookup formula. It's a very simple formula. Now the lookup is consisting of two syntaxes. The second syntax is lookup value. So the lookup value is same in both the formulas, right? So I will going to take the lookup value as 99, and this time I will be taking as array. So if I take the array as this complete array and freeze it, it will going to give me the last column of the array. It will going to give me the results. I show you the results. So it will going to give me the pass result. And if I just pick the another type of array this time, I will going to take the lookup value as 99 again, and this time I will going to take only these two columns, means column A and column B, and I freeze it and put the bracket across, and this time I will going to get the last column, that is grade. So it will going to give me the last column. So the concept is we don't have the column index number as we do have in the VLOOKUP formula that we're going to study in the next session. So this is a very simple formula. This doesn't have any brain at all. It just simply gives the results on the basis of the lookup vector and the result vector. So I hope this is a simple video to understand, and this is just a beginning. See you in the next video.